Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your death sound on Roblox. So first you need to click on Windows R on your keyboard and then search for %local data %. Then click on OK. So here this Windows appears. All you need to do is scroll down and then search for Roblox. So here you go. This is my Roblox folder. Click on it and then go to versions and then click on the first folder. Then you need to go to content and then click on sounds. Once it is loaded, you need to delete this ouch sound. I will hit delete button on my keyboard. After deleting it, you need to go to this link. You can copy and paste it from here and then download this file. Start downloading it. It is stored in here in my downloads. I'm going to double click it. And then all you need to do is go to the previous folder where you deleted your file from and then move this downloaded file to that folder. And there you go. You have changed your death sound on Roblox. I hope you found this video useful. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And I will see you in the next one.